Hello guys, this is your boy John Laughter, the speaker boy. So who do we have here?
Mrs. Veronica Obi.
Okay. So guys, this woman chatted me 3 weeks ago that her daughter has been missing. After she finished her senior WAEC, I said, okay, don't worry, I'm going to do the work. Normally, I've been chatting. She gave me the number. I've been chatting with the girl and all this. But let's listen to her. What really happened?
Well, it's been 2 years, oh. We've not seen her. I don't know where she is. I just can't tell. All of a sudden, I heard that she's in Lagos, that she's doing hookup. Please, I need help to help locate her, to find her. 2 years. It's been a while.
Guys, you guys have heard her since 2 years. This is not a joking matter. Seriously, it's not a joking matter. But normally, I've been chatting with the girl, and the girl have accepted to collect 50,000. Are you guys ready? So now I'm in her street now. So her house is number 16. Understand? So I will go down there, and the cameraman will hide. She will hide as well. But first of all, I'm gonna call her now and tell her that I'm already in her street. You understand? So let's wait. Let me call her now. Come on, don't worry, everything will be fine. You will see your data, don't worry. Guys, it's ringing.
Hello, babe.
Hello, babe, what's up?
I'm fine. You don't reach?
Yes, I'm in your street now. I'm outside.
Okay, I'm coming outside now.
Okay. Guys, let's go and hide. Mama, come and hide. Guys, I'm going to see her right now. Come and hide. Come on, hide. How you doing? Oh, what's up?
I'm fine.
Well, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Come on, traffic, I beg no vest. Everything was much and everything coming from that side is something else. So what's up now? Thank God I'm here. So what is the next move? I've booked the hotel already. I've booked everything. Everything is ready now. So, but the problem here now, I'm sorry for telling you this. I'm not the one that is doing it with you. You understand? It's between me and my friend.
But that was not what you told me.
But the guy is shy to tell you. You understand? So that is why I said let me help him out. You understand? So he's the one that even gave me your number. So I had to chat to make everything easier for you. Understand?
Okay, so did he agree with the price?
Yeah, he agreed. So finally, let me call him. He's here with me. Okay, now help me call the guy. So don't worry. Shy. No worry. It's a surprise. Okay? No worry, you see. No worry. Shy.
You?
Mama.
Oh,
Mama, sorry. I can explain.
But waiting give you mind, they do hook up for Lagos. See, made your mama they cry.
Looking for you for 2 years, Nkechi.
Guys, things that happen. See waiting this girl make your mama they cry. Since 2 years, she get mine come up for her house. They say they do hook up for Lagos. This is not a joking matter, I swear to God. It's not a joking matter. The thing is, why we leave your house and come and do hook up? If you get mine, they tell me 50,000. See young woman, see. Stop crying. You know they pick up my call. You get mine. Mama, beg. Mama, sorry. Mama, sorry. See, they look at mama. Tell your mama. Hello, guys. You guys have seen what happened. I just end this story here. This no be small thing since 2 years. So, guys, we'll see what will happen next. I beg. Cut, guys.